Welcome to Freedom Saturday. I have received this question. Is the business can be done in South Africa? Well, the business can be done anywhere in the world. It's international, as you can see on the map over here. And we are more than 50,000 people in our community. Right, so I will let amazing Cecilia, a South African mom, take the lead on this one.
And I cannot even explain the difference in my life now compared to the difference in my life 19 months ago. You guys, I'm Cecilia Jacobs. I used to be a small town mama from South Africa, and I'm also an angel mummy. I've got 2 little boys up in Haven. So when my little girl was born, I was like, you know what, whatever I need to do, I will do that in order to have all my time to spend with my child. So the first thing I did is I studied ECD and I went into early childhood development in order to be a stay-at-home mom. So I had a daycare center and I absolutely loved it. But 10 years into that, I realized, you know what, now I'm missing out because I'm not getting to be the mom that they can call on for the tuck shop. I'm not getting to be the mom that's next to the sports fields.
Fast forward, Cecilia is now one of the South African millionaire in our community, and I will let her, give us her final thoughts.
I'm literally sitting on $4,300 that I can pay out and go into the new year with. And this is scaringly good. I mean, for me as a South African, that's a very high 5-figure that's coming in after groceries is already bought, rent is already paid, school fees for the year is already paid. So this is literally money that I can use to spoil my children and my family with for the rest of this year, which is absolutely amazing. And I mean, when I got started with this, I knew nothing about this industry. I had to go and check out what digital marketing really was. I had to go and check out what the e-learning industry was. I mean, this is literally the only industry where you will be able to earn 100% profits on your efforts. What you put in, you make 100% on, and there's nothing else out there like this. And I just love the projection that Forbes has got on this. And I'm still thinking about, you know what, when I got started with this, I was so overwhelmed. I was so overworked, and I couldn't even say yes to a sweetie in the front of the counter if my child asked for that.
As we can see, every success starts with a strong determination, right? What if I told you in the next 90 days, my mentor will take you from day 1 to day 90, building your business. You will follow step by step what she's doing. Would you be interested? If yes, drop info below, right? I will send you with a free PDF that will show you the power of a done for you business. Take care.